As a new shooter, it can be quite a hassle trying to pick out a new gun, mainly because you don't know the ropes yet. What's even worse is that manufacturers aren't making it any easier, as every gun on the market is being paraded as the best. But are they? Well, I don't even expect any manufacturer to talk about their guns, but of course, they should be conservative about their crazy marketing, or at least try to be truthful. That aside, there are a lot of factors to consider before getting a new gun. Factors like quality, model, manufacturer's reputation, and even price. If you're a new shooter and you're looking to get a new 9mm pistol pretty soon, then you should certainly watch this video. We'll be revealing the best 9mm pistols for new shooters. Alright, enough of the talk, let's get on with the real deal. The Canik TP9 Elite SC is a pistol that offers an impressive blend of performance, reliability, and affordability. Designed by Turkish firearms manufacturer Canik, the TP9 Elite SC is a compact 9mm semi-automatic pistol that's perfect for concealed carry and personal defense. You know what that means, yeah? You're getting a pistol that's a perfect fit for your personal defense and concealed carry, so you don't have to worry about your safety or concealing your pistol. With a 3.6-inch barrel and a 12+1 round capacity, the TP9 Elite SC provides ample firepower in a small package, which makes it a versatile and practical choice for a variety of shooting conditions. This pistol has a short, crisp reset and a smooth, consistent pull that provides a trigger experience that's rarely found in a firearm at its price point. And with a variety of trigger options available, including a flat-faced and a traditional curved trigger, you can customize the pistol's trigger to suit your specific shooting preferences. Talking about price, the TP9 Elite SC can be purchased for around $500. That's a budget-friendly price for a pistol that packs that much quality. If you're talking about modern handguns, then the Walther PDP Compact has to be in that conversation. If you're a new shooter, then you've found your guy. But it's also for those seeking enhanced performance in self-defense scenarios. The PDP Compact's weight distribution is something to take note of. Its balanced design minimizes felt recoil, allowing for quicker follow-up shots and reducing fatigue during extended shooting sessions. That's one thing you should look out for as a beginner. One of the most notable aspects of the PDP Compact is its optics-ready configuration. The slide features a factory milled cut designed to accommodate various red dot sights, allowing shooters to customize their setup for improved accuracy and target acquisition. The textured grip surface provides excellent traction, enhancing overall handling and confidence when firing. If you're also looking for versatile, trusty pistols, this one's a great choice. It's versatile enough for a variety of uses, including home defense, law enforcement, and competitive shooting, like I mentioned earlier. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, while its performance capabilities ensure it can hold its own in different shooting scenarios. The PDP Compact also boasts a magazine capacity of 15 rounds, providing you with a generous supply of ammunition without sacrificing compactness. The Walther PDP Compact has a price that typically ranges from $499 to $650. A great concealed carry self-defense pistol for you as a beginner is the Beretta APX carry. Like the name implies, it's built to be carried about, and that's why it's designed to be very lightweight and easily concealable. You can just easily slot it into a holster and put it in your pocket without anyone noticing that you're carrying something, except of course, X-rays. In fact, the Beretta APX carry was designed primarily for concealed carry and self-defense. The APX carry also features a shorter trigger pull, which enhances shooting performance and accuracy. Some users have even noted improvements in trigger feel with newer models thanks to updates like a stainless steel trigger guide that smooths the trigger action. As a beginner, you'll find the APX carry very reliable, compact, and extremely affordable. And speaking of prices, the Beretta APX carry costs around just $300, which is a good place to start for a beginner. Plus, it also comes with the features of some other high-end pistols. Crowning it the king of compact pistols may be doing too much, but the Springfield Armory Hellcat is certainly a great compact 9mm pistol that was designed for concealed carry and personal defense for new shooters. At a price of around $600, the Hellcat features a milled slide that accommodates the Springfield micro footprint, which makes it easy to attach optics. It also offers a magazine capacity of up to 17 rounds with an optional 10-round magazine for restricted regions. The fact that its compact design doesn't affect its capacity is excellent. The compact design is the reason it's suitable for concealed carry, self-defense, and everyday use. Feedback from users indicates that the Hellcat feels comfortable in the hand and is generally well received for its performance. Some early production models experienced reliability issues, but overall, it's considered a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact pistol. Coming in next is the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus. This gun is well known in the concealed carry community for its slim profile and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 20.8 ounces, it's very easy to forget you're even carrying it, and for a new shooter, you know what that means. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus represents a significant advancement in the popular M&P Shield series, offering firearm enthusiasts and concealed carry practitioners a reliable, compact option that combines performance with user-friendly features. It fits comfortably in most hand sizes while remaining easy to conceal. The standard model comes with a 10-round flush-fit magazine, but it also includes a 13-round extended magazine, which allows you to carry more firepower without compromising on its size. This increase in capacity addresses a common concern among concealed carry users while still maintaining a slim profile. As a beginner, all these just make sense because you're getting a pistol that doesn't need a lot of getting used to, plus you even just forget you're carrying it. That is until, of course, when danger lurks. If you want one of these, then be ready to shell out as high as $600. Taking the top spot on our list is the Glock 19 Gen 5, and this one needs no introduction. When it comes to 9mm pistols for new users, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a name that demands respect. Designed to be highly concealable yet robust enough for home use, the Glock 19 Gen 5 packs a 15+1 round capacity, which makes it an ideal home defense option, and its improved trigger design, ambidextrous slide stop, and enhanced grip texture ensure comfortable and secure handling, further translating to more accurate shot placement. If you're at home, of course, an accurate pistol is what you should be looking for. The Gen 5 model boasts several upgrades over previous Glock 19 generations, such as an improved barrel and a front slide serration for easier manipulation. It also features the Glock Marksman barrel for improved accuracy, making it a great choice for home defense situations that require precise tactical shooting. With its rugged construction, impressive performance, and proven track record, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a timeless choice for those seeking a dependable and efficient self-defense firearm. As for the price, the Glock 19 Gen 5 costs around $500 to $700, which is an affordable option for new shooters. That should conclude our list of the 6 best 9mm pistols for new shooters, but we'd also like to add one more for you to have a variety of options to choose from. The Sig Sauer P320, a handgun that's been making waves in the industry since its introduction. One of the key features that sets the P320 apart from the Glock 19 is its modularity. The P320's frame can be easily swapped out to accommodate different grip sizes and calibers, making it a versatile option for shooters who want a customizable handgun. The P320 isn't just modular, it's also ergonomically designed for comfort and accuracy. The grip also features a textured surface that provides a secure hold even in wet or slippery conditions. And then there's the P320's trigger. Like the M&P 2.0, the P320 has an improved trigger that's smoother and even more consistent. This pistol costs around $500 to $700 as well. And there you have it, guys. We hope that as a new shooter, you've been able to find a 9mm pistol from this list that you like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more interesting and educational videos like this one. Also, drop a comment telling us which 9mm pistol here you'd want to try out next. Make sure to check out our other videos that we've made for new shooters. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you again next time.